In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register and buy from Temu Australia. We'll start by getting the app, create your account the easy way. Make sure your region is set to Australia and then walk through finding items, checking out, and tracking your order. First, download the Temu app. On an iPhone, open the App Store. On Android, open the Google Play Store. Type Temu in the search bar and install the official app. If you prefer using a computer or mobile browser, you can also shop on the website at www.temu.com. The app is usually smoother for browsing, notifications, and tracking, so that's what I recommend. Open Temu and tap Sign Up or Register. You can create an account with an email address, an Australian mobile number with the +61 country code, a Google account, or your Apple ID. If you choose email, enter your email address, create a password you'll remember, and tap Sign Up. If you use a mobile number, enter your Australian number, and then type in the verification code that arrives via SMS. Either option takes just a moment. Next, make sure your region and currency are correct. Go to Profile, look for country or region, and confirm it's set to Australia. The currency should display as AUD, so prices and shipping estimates are local and accurate. Now you're ready to shop. Use the search bar if you already know what you want, or browse through categories to discover deals. When you open a product page, take a moment to read the reviews, check the delivery estimate for your postcode, and look through the product photos. This helps you confirm quality, sizing, and what's included before you buy. When you're happy with a product, select the size or color if there are options, choose the quantity, and tap Add to Cart. When you're finished shopping, open your cart and tap Checkout. Add your shipping address details carefully. Full name, street address, suburb, state, postcode, and your mobile number for delivery updates. Tap Save when everything looks correct. Choose your payment method. In Australia, Temu typically accepts credit or debit cards, PayPal, and Apple Pay or Google Pay when available. Pick the option you prefer and follow the prompts. Before placing your order, review the total price, apply any coupons if you have them, and confirm your delivery address. When everything looks right, tap Place Order. You'll receive an order confirmation, an email notification, and you can see tracking updates right inside the app as your package moves through delivery. Enjoy your shopping on Temu Australia.